Oh, hi! I'm Catherine, and what a better way to start off your week than with a Moving Tip Monday. Is moving day approaching? Here are a few tips and tricks to help with the moving checklist. The first thing you're going to want to do is rent a truck. It's the easiest thing you can do. You can do it online or in person at a center, or by using TruckShare 24/7, you can use your cell phone. With TruckShare 24/7, you don't have to wait in line, and you can do self-pickup and returns anytime and day of the week. Now, moving boxes are an absolute must, but don't forget other moving supplies like EnviroBubble, furniture pads, or even packing peanuts. I think you get it. U-Haul has all the moving supplies you need, and you can get them in-store or online. After picking up your supplies, head on over to the post office, or just go online. You can fill out a change of address form there, and make sure to contact your utility companies to let them know you're moving. And are you going to have friends help you move? Make sure you've asked them ahead of moving day. Don't ask the night before. And say your friends still aren't super reliable, you can always hire a moving help provider. Moving can be made easier when you have everything that you need. So go ahead and make that list and check it twice. And do you have any questions about your moving day checklist, or did we leave something off that you still have questions about? Let us know in the comments. And happy moving!